What's the meaning of confab? Confab. Confab.
Confab. Confab. The word confab is a noun, meaning an informal conversation or discussion. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to engage in such a conversation or discussion. Typically, confabs are held among friends, colleagues, or acquaintances, and are characterized by their relaxed and unstructured nature. Participants may discuss a wide range of topics, from personal anecdotes to current events to more serious matters. Confabs are often seen as a way to build relationships and foster greater understanding between people from different backgrounds or with different perspectives.